In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Passwords Manager. Following that, select any password you wish to edit. Enter one of your login methods. And hit Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!